Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I get to share with you the unboxing of a special edition kit from the Love from Lizi shop. This one is called Oh Baby, and it is so cute. If you like decoupage, this kit is right up your alley because there's a lot of fun decoupage elements in here. So I'm going to start off by showing you the cardstock. You get one sheet of the mirror cardstock, and then you get 4 pearlescents. These are full-size sheets. They're full UK standard size sheets, so they're a little bit longer and a little bit less wide than US standard sheets of cardstock. But pearlescent is a real pretty soft shimmer to it, and you get a sheet of white, a pink, gray, and green. And then also in this kit are 2 half sheets of regular cardstock. You get a real pretty orange and a real pretty soft yellow. Now I wanted to share with you the pattern papers. You get 16 8x8 pattern papers in this collection. I believe 8 of them are double-sided. And then you'll get 2 spot gloss and then 3 that have glitter accents, which are really pretty. These are double-sided. And the theme of the kit is baby themed, but there's balloons and banners in here, which makes it real versatile for birthday cards or young children. So not just for baby. A lot of fun, real soft colors. Rocking horses and little elephants on wheels. You get some clouds and a few floral patterns too, which are really nice. These are the single-sided here. That has baby sentiments on there. Little elephants and duckies on wheels. And then these are little baby feet that have the spot gloss. Real cute. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up or not. I don't think so. But spot gloss is like a clear embossing that's over these. These are hot air balloons with the spot gloss as well. And then you get your glittered. This is like a rainbow colored glitter pattern, and then you also get a little heart pattern paper there. And this cardstock is actually on the thick side, which is really nice. And then you get 16 sheets total. I'm just counting them because I'm missing one. I'm actually missing the one that has the glitter tags on it, but I found it and I'm going to show you that in a little bit. But you also get 16 6x6 pattern papers that are the same exact patterns as the one I showed you just now, but these are on a smaller scale. So really versatile patterns. There's your spot gloss. Again, 2 of those are spot gloss and then 3 have the glitter. This is the tag sheet that I was missing in the 8x8. But these ones also have the glitter accent on there. And as with the first 8x8 set, a few of them have double-sided and a few of them are not. But a lot of fun soft colors. Love the colors in here. And then here's where I found my little cutout sheet. Now these you have to fussy cut out, but the elements in there are really nice. A lot of fun elements. And you can see the size difference on the scaling from the 6x6 from the 8x8. But there's your pattern papers. Definitely won't run out. You have tons of them, 32 total. Okay, now you get your stickers. You get 4 sticker sheets, and these are on the thin side. They're actually really thin stickers, but they do have glitter accents. You get 2 elements, and then 1 alphabet sheet, and then 1 tag sheet. So there's your stickers. A lot of fun stickers. These aren't, I wanted to make this clear too, guys, that these are not chipboard or cardstock stickers. They're just regular stickers. Now you also get a full complete set of alphabet dies. These are block letter alphabets, and they fit perfectly inside this little scallop triangle that comes in with the dies here. There's what it looks like. And then I also cut one out with the alphabet in there. So you could flip this around and create cute little banners that are customized for your projects. So you get the full alphabet, and then there's also an ampersand sign in there too, if you want to, create a fun little sentiment. So those are your dies. Now I want to show you the decoupage. The decoupage is so fun. If you're not familiar with decoupage, what it is the layering. Now, you get 8 sheets of decoupage, and you just layer upon layer upon layer, and it creates a beautiful 3D effect. Love this. If you remember the Berry Christmas, this is a lot similar to the Berry Christmas, although the elements in this one are a little bit bigger. But you get 8 sheets of these. Now, I will be making 10 cards, 1 kit with this collection. A lot of fun cards. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below to where you can check it out. They're available in Lizi's shop in limited quantities, so when they're gone, guys. I just want to thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.